I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by checking essentials, microphone, permissions, and your account. Once done, open Daily Transcription and sign in. Make sure the app has microphone access. Next, pick the recording language and accent so models match your speech. Create a project and name the file for easy retrieval, then set the timestamp interval. 1 minute is common. Start a short test clip to verify levels. This first run removes surprises and ensures your main recording will be clean and transcribable. Now you optimize the live transcription settings to improve accuracy. You should adjust input gain so peaks stay around -6 dB. This prevents clipping and preserves clarity. Once set, enable speaker diarization so the tool separates voices, and turn on noise reduction plus automatic punctuation. If you use industry terms, add them to the custom vocabulary. This trains the model to recognize specialized words. While recording, monitor the transcript in real time and correct obvious errors. That immediate feedback speeds post-editing. To finish, review the full transcript and make edits for accuracy. Fix speaker labels, punctuation, and timestamps. Once clean, export in the format you need, TXT, SRT, VTT, or DocX, and pick UTF-8 encoding to avoid character issues. Save a copy with versioning for audits. If you run into persistent errors, isolate the problematic segment and rerun transcription using a higher quality audio file, or update the custom vocabulary and retrain snippets. That troubleshooting step resolves most remaining mistakes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.